guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my blind box came from Bala Banana. I did not expect it today. It said on the tracking info that it was going to come on the 10th, so it literally just arrived here 5 minutes ago. Luckily I was home because you have to sign for it, so I've just cut open the top. This is a small box, so we'll see what I have in here, and I'm actually quite nervous to see because I've never bought a blind box before. So and I can already see the top, and it was the one thing I didn't want. Oh no. I got I believe it's the Versailles Be Classy. And actually it's not that bad. I've never had anything in this print, and I was pretty sure that I did not want this at all because it's just really not my colour. But it's actually not that bad. So I got the Be Classy, the Be Set, and the Be Quick. Wow, all the same print. Okay, and I also got, I got a little Jujubee star, a silver one, and a coin purse in, I can't remember the print, what is this? This is Sweet Victory coin purse, so yeah. So okay, I was kind of hoping that I would maybe get some coastal, although I've got an East Hampton Classy. I really wanted an East Hampton, not East Hampton, Key West Be Rich. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. This is just really not, brown really is not my colour, so I really don't know what to do. So yeah, there's the Be Set. So yeah, everything in this print, okay. Okay, I am a little disappointed, I guess, just because I would have preferred, I don't know, something else. I'm either like all black or bright colours, so yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, it's not terrible. It is, I guess, quite classy, I guess, looking print on the bag and such. It's a very, to me, it's a very winter print. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'll keep them or trade or whatever. I'm not really sure. So yeah, there it is. There's my first blind box purchase that I've ever done. So I mean, it's a pretty good deal. It was $100 Canadian, so after tax it was $113. So I mean, it's a pretty good deal for what you're getting, I guess. So, but that's, I guess, the whole part of it's a blind box. You just don't know what you're going to get. Anyway, please comment below and tell me what you think of this print, and thanks for watching.